Progressive Skills in English, Level 1 Coursebook.
Welcome to Episode 3. In our speaking part, we will discuss systems of education. You're going to hear a short talk from a student to a study group at university. Now we complete Table 1.
Track 1.13.
Britain has 4 kinds of school. They are nursery, primary, secondary, and sixth form. Many British children go to nursery school at 3 or 4. Children do not take exams at nursery school. At 5, they move to primary school. Most primary schools are mixed. They stay there for 6 years and then they move to secondary school. Most children do not take exams at 11, but a few take the 11+ exam. Secondary school lasts 5 years. Most secondary schools are mixed. Children take exams called GCSEs at the age of 16. You can leave school after your GCSEs, but many children stay at school for 2 more years. The last 2 years are called the sixth form. At the end of the sixth form, teenagers take A-levels. You can leave school after A-levels, but 50% of British teenagers go on to university.
Table 1 compares between education systems in aspect of age range and exams at the end. Type of school, nursery. The age range is from 3 to 4 years old. It has no exams. Primary. The age group is from 5 to 11. 11+, they have exams. Secondary. The age range is from 11 to 16, and at the end they are being examined to GCSE. Sixth form is from the age range 16 to 18, and they have A-level exams.
Track 1.14.
I didn't go to nursery school. I started primary school at 5. I was good at primary school, and I liked the teachers. I didn't take the 11+ exam. I went to secondary school. I wasn't very good there, and I didn't like the teachers. Well, there was one good teacher. I took GCSEs and then A-levels. Then I decided to go to university.
What are schools he went to? He went to primary school at 5. He went to secondary school. What are the exams he took? He took GCSE and A-levels. Now study some of sentences from the talk below. Please underline the important words or phrases in each sentence. Britain has 4 kinds of schools. They are nursery, primary, secondary, and sixth form. Children do not take exams at nursery school. At 4 or 5, they move to primary school. They stay there for 6 years and then they move to a secondary school. Secondary school lasts for 5 years. I didn't go to a nursery school. I was good at primary school and I liked the teachers. I went to secondary school. Now, 1, students should make some notes on the educational system in their country. 2, students should make some notes of their own education. 3, students should give some short talks. It is time for our vocabulary box. Vocabulary box. Exam, noun. Leave, verb, leave school. Nursery, noun. Primary, adjective. Secondary, adjective. Stay, verb. stay at school. Take, verb, take exams. Now listen to the conversation.
Track 1.16.
Conversation 1.
What's a nursery school?
It's a school for young children.
How old are they?
They're between 3 and 5. Conversation 2.
What does GCSE mean?
It's an abbreviation.
I know, but what does it mean?
It means General Certificate of Secondary Education. Conversation 3.
Does primary mean first?
Yes, it does.
So does secondary mean second?
That's right. Conversation 4.
What are A-levels?
They're exams in Britain.
When do you take them?
You take them at 18. Conversation 5.
Is sixth form for 17 and 18-year-olds?
Yes, it is.
Why is it called sixth form?
Because it starts with the 6th year of secondary school. Conversation 6.
Do you take an exam or make an exam?
We use the verb take with exams.
And what about assignments?
You do assignments.
Do you take an exam or make an exam? That's conversation 6. Does primary mean first? That's conversation 3. Is sixth form for 17 and 18-year-olds? That's conversation 5. What does GCSE mean? Conversation 2. What are A-levels? Conversation 4. What is a nursery school? Conversation 1. Now, let's learn how to say some vowels in the right way. On the screen they will appear. Fill, feel. Still, steal. Well, wheel. List, least. Eel. Sit, seat. This, these. Hill, hill. His, his. Is he, easy. Now let's know how to organize a talk. You must organize information in a talk in a logical way. For example, when you heard the student talking about education, he started by describing general facts. The facts were about education. Then he talked about his own education or his personal experience. This is because the best organization in English is general facts, then personal experience. Also, within each paragraph, the best organization is chronological order. It means moving from the earliest to the latest. For example, when you build your CV, you move from the most recent experience to the earliest experience. For example, talking about the nursery and primary stages, then moving forward. Now let's apply what we have learned. Look at the table from a talk about drama. Make each sentence G for general and P if it was personal experience. Please press the keyword while saying them. As you would see on the screen, I'll follow you reading the sentences. Children learn a lot about themselves in drama. Do you think this is a general one or a personal one? You're right, it's general. Drama is very important subject. That sounds general, perfect. I take drama for GCSE. I is personal, perfect. I got a good pass in the examination. Again, it's personal. I was the main person in one of the plays. Personal. I wasn't really good, but I had a lot of fun. Personal. Most secondary schools in Britain have drama classes. Can I hear personal here or general? It's G, general. Some children take examination in drama for GCSE or A-level. General. We did a lot of drama games and we put on a play every term. Personal. Even though if I wasn't involved in the last statement, but it talked with the pronoun we. So it was a personal experience. Now let's go to our second vocabulary box. Vocabulary box. Chronological, adjective. Drama, noun. Experience, noun. Logical, adjective. Pass is noun and verb. Play is noun and verb. Subject is noun.
Dear students, you finished with Renda, the most important part of our episode, and now we have more and more activities with me, Sarah. Let's go to page 12. C, exercise C. It will be on phonetics. Here we will be focusing actually on two sounds, two vowel sounds. The one in sit, which is I, a short vowel, and the other one is E, like in seat, which is a long vowel. Can we look here? Can you see? This is an extract from a dictionary. Sit. In the dictionary we find the word, and then the V, which is the word type, it's a verb, and then the phonetic transcription. How we write the sounds, how we draw the sounds on the paper. Sit, as you can see, this is the I, and fi, word type noun, and then the phonetic transcription. And E is a long vowel. So, can you see? Can you identify the words below here? The first thing to know is we write the sounds in two slashes, or between two slanted lines. Like here, is this it? Yes, it is it. Thank you. And then the word below, it is eat. It, the sound is like sit. Eat, the sound is like fee. Here we have, is it fit or feet? Let's look here. Yes, it's feet. Thank you. And here, read. And here, fill. And this is feel. Give. And this is meet. So, short vowel, like sit, hit, kit. And E, long vowel, like feel, seal, meet, see. Again, more focus on this. Can you see the sentences here on page 14? Exercise A, reviewing sounds. How do you feel? This is have E. I'm really ill. This is I, like sit. Did you eat the eel? Eat the eel. Eat. No, I didn't. Didn't. I. Is he his brother? Is he his brother? I. Short vowel. I. And then no. But she is his sister. Again, sister. His. Short vowel. I. I guess it's very clear now. Thank you very much.